Salt Lake City is more than just a tourist spot. It's an economic powerhouse driven by diverse industries. But how do these sectors keep up with rapid technological advancements? As Jed Crossley, president of NetWize, explains, information technology is not just a support function, but a strategic partner in the success of Salt Lake City's leading industries, propelling innovation and efficiency across all sectors. Let's explore the top industries shaping the local economy. First up, healthcare and biotech. This sector is crucial, with leaders like Intermountain Healthcare pushing medical and biotech innovation. IT plays a vital role here, managing patient data, ensuring compliance, and enabling telemedicine and advanced diagnostics, ultimately enhancing patient care and operational efficiency. Next, we have manufacturing. From aerospace components to outdoor sporting goods, companies like Black Diamond Equipment use IT for automation, precision engineering, and supply chain optimization. These technologies ensure production efficiency, inventory management, and product quality. In finance, institutions like Zions Ban Corporation rely on IT for security and innovative services like online banking, protecting data and enhancing customer experience. Education benefits from IT with digital classrooms and online platforms, enriching learning and expanding access. Lastly, tourism and hospitality use IT for managing reservations, enhancing guest services and marketing, optimizing operations and visitor experiences. To learn more about how IT is revolutionizing Salt Lake City's top industries, visit our website to read the full article. And don't forget to add this to your Spotify playlist for easy access to IT insights.